Hey guys, we received this commercial dust mop and floor sweeper from Tidy Tools for test and try. It's a 48 inches dust mop for hardwood floors. It also have a reusable dust mop head with an extendable handle, and it's a pretty much straightforward use. So let me just open everything and show it to you. So this cloth is a 90% nylon, 10% cotton blend. So this will get the dust and the dirt on it, and then you can also clean it or wash it and reuse it again. So the mop head frame itself is 48 inches, and the sweeping area can be like 40, 56 around. So this handle have this metal base, so you have to just hold this handle with this metal clip, and then that's it. You can extend this thing as well and then lock it down wherever the most comfortable thing. You can also wash this in a washer, this mop cloth, and then reuse it. So easy clip design, easy handle, you can resize the handle based on your need and then also clean up the stuff. So it's a very nice commercial use product, and then also secure and extend this handle. So you can see this one, and there are the other things here. So these are the laces here that you can tie if you want it more secure, and then just take it out. So here you can easily sweep the dust. It can easily collect the dust and the dirt here, and then is easily handled with this extendable handle. As you can see, the frame is 48 inches around, and then because of this fiber, it can swipe up to 56 or 52 inches area. And the other thing is you can just take out this handle very easily. So you can put one, mop for washing, and then you can put this handle into another one that you can buy separately and use it there. So they are the metal frame, really sturdy and durable, and you can just wipe this mops and then use it the way you want. So it's pretty a nice design, nice thing with a metal frame with these clothes and easy to clean and stuff. So also absorb. So very nice thing to have.